In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add clickable links in Canva. For this, I'm going to load an A4 document. Then I will select one of the templates that they have right here. And I am going to add some text that I want to make clickable. For example, this one with the contact information. So I'm just going to drag and drop it. So if we want to make part of this text clickable, all we have to do is click on the text 2 times, left click on it, like so, 2 times, and then this should pop up called link. If you want to select and add a link, you click on this, and then I'm going to copy a link right here as an example, the YouTube link. Then I'm going to paste it, right clicking and selecting paste, and then we press enter. And now if people click on this, they will be taken to YouTube, as you can see, like so. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys and girls next time. Goodbye.